So, how to make a pie chart? Exactly same this chart and segment euro area. This is euro area and euro area. This like this euro area and euro area must be in red color. Okay. Check legend first. This is legend and same here. And check title. This fraction 19 and this is fraction 19 and check label this 2320 and this and this and this. So okay, how to make it? Select this, press control and hold it and select this, go to insert pie 3D pie chart, exact like this, drag here or get a labels and I like this labels on, I like this outside end and I like legend. This is legend. In bottom, I want left. Okay, and double click once more and drag this type and go here. Fill color and fill this one. Okay, and check here chart title FRACTION section 19 and check here this is exact same. Thank you.